It's not that tree. Watch out.
Okay,
Oh, you looked it up?
yeah. Now, where's the plugs in?
You got a plug here.
Okay, damage is done this way.
Okay.
So, which one? Did we tap into that one?
Yeah, we tapped it because you got a tap, an old tap right there.
There's a tap there.
Tap there, tap there, tap there.
How come we never tapped this one?
Because that's not a maple.
You don't think that's a maple?
I'm pretty sure that's not a maple. Maybe it is.
No, bark's not the same. Look at that one.
No, I think it's because it's not a maple. It's because the way the branches are. It's a different type of tree.
Is that something?
Yeah.
How come this one?
The both of those are maples.
Where do we tap here? We got tap over here on this one, and over here on this one.
Yeah.
Got the tube?
Yeah, we got the tube. So you put a little angle.
So 2 inches deep. When they did it, the stuff was running out real fast, and you took it. So this one's leaking.
Which one?
This one. It's
Oh,
leaking.
wow.
See the maple syrup. And look at it leak. That one's not.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Yeah, they're both leaking.
They're leaking syrup. Where's the other one? Right, the hole.
Yeah, I washed everything yesterday. Well, this one's really leaking. This is the time of the year to do it. We're always too late.
Think that's enough?
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
go find the turkeys.
All right, Evelyn, come over here.
No!
You want to find the turkey?
Yeah.
All right, then Grandpa puts it along there.
Be up to that mark. Okay.
So then, take it.
You train the turkeys?
Yeah, I'm gonna go find them. They're back there.
I can walk a little bit back there. But you don't trip.
I'm gonna go. They're turkeys. I hope I don't get charged that. I'm gonna try getting as close so you guys can see it. Okay, right over there. Like, right there. There's should be some turkeys. Right there. Is there a play you can zoom in? Zoom in, Dad. Can you zoom in? Oh, hi. Okay. Skip on over. I'm gonna try getting close. So we can't. Where am I going? Look at the tracks. The tracks, let's follow them now. These are more interesting. So there's the last one. Oh wait. No, go over here. Right over here. Now there's dog tracks. Looks like. Oh, there's the turkey. I see it. There they are. Turkeys. Don't want to get too close, but they might come after me! Ah! I thought they were coming after! Maple syrup. Let's go back to them. A couple videos ago, we did like a trolley thing that we found in this like back forest area, and so I'm back here again. But I want to go to it and see if there's anything new. But those turkeys are there. Looks like that might be their home. Let's get a little closer. So that's me coming forward. And that's where I'm going back. Okay. Let me see. Hi-ya! There's one over there. Yeah, try zooming in if you can in this thing. Okay, they're leaving, so this might be my chance to get back over there. See, that's where I started running back. Like, they're moving. Their chance. That's one of their tracks, I think. Oh no, they're still over there. I'm so stupid. Okay, that's fine. Okay. There they are. Crossing. There's one hanging out over there. Nope. They're definitely gone. Anna. There's one right there, guys. They're right between the bushes and the trees. I'm gonna find a real track of them. Let's get out of the forest. Yeah, they're leaving. Yeah? For 3 minutes.
I don't know if you could get it through the branches.
Probably not. I got a lot of shots of them though. Where are you taking us? There's a tent. You're too close. There's a white one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them.
There's a white one
Oh, the white one's still there? Yeah, it's doing something. There's a little creek back there too.
Is that their tracks?
That's deer tracks.
What do their tracks look like?
Deer.
They're leaving, it looks like.
Yeah, that's a lot of deer. Oh, a lot of turkeys.
Yeah.
Should see a deer someplace. We got the deer. I don't see the deer. Found the block.
Found a block?
Yeah, the block. No, the block. Oh, there's cinder blocks here, but they're all good. There's 12 of them.
There's a white one too.
There's the white albinos there too. Where?
It's somewhere back there.
There's a white turkey there.
Oh, you got albino turkey back there.
Oh, no,
Oh, there he is. Wow, that is cool looking. Too bad you guys can't really see him.
Vortex.
The vortex, can you feel it?
Nope.
It's gonna suck us in.
There we go. 2 buckets. 2 taps per bucket. We've already got sap flowing in. So hopefully in a couple weeks, or maybe even a week, both buckets will be full. We'll make some maple syrup.